Hello wonderful people, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you one of the ways to cook this superfood called lentil. Yes, lentil is packed with nutrients and is one of the healthiest food on this planet. So this is one of the ways, and there are many ways to cook lentils, but this is one of my favorite ways to cook lentil. So I hope that you're going to enjoy this video from beginning to end. So this is what lentil looks like. There are different types of lentil, but this one is called green lentil. Yes, when it's dry, it looks a little bit brown like this, but this is one of my favorite lentil. So I'm starting with 2 cups, 2 heaping cups of lentil. You can use, depending on the recipe you're using or how much you want to make, you can cut it down or add more, but I'm doing 2 cups of lentil. So now what I'm going to do is just to wash it or just to soak it, actually soak it in water. You can soak it overnight, but you don't have to. I just soak it like 1 hour is enough to have it rise. You can also cook it without soaking it, but I like to soak it. It makes the cooking faster. Yeah. So you just cover it with water. You want the water to cover the lentil so that when it's soaking, obviously it's going to soak most of the water. If you don't have enough water, then it's not going to have enough to soak. So this is what it looks like after 1 hour of soaking it. You see the green has come out, but this is what it looks like. So now all I need to do is to wash out the water that I soaked it in. I will rinse it out and then put it on fire to cook it. So all I'm adding to the lentil is just salt. That's basically all you need to add at this time. And then I don't add so much water because lentil doesn't take much time to cook. It takes basically like 10 minutes and it's done to my own satisfaction. Now you can cook it longer if you want it to be more creamier, but I will be adding some green beans to it, so I don't want it to cook so much. But that's it. Lentil doesn't take time to cook, and lentil is packed with nutrients. It's one of the healthiest food on earth. I'm telling you, it's much healthier than quinoa itself. And one thing with beans is once you eat this, especially if you're on a weight loss journey, you're going to be drinking a lot of water. Okay, so this is what I'm adding to it. This is frozen green beans. You don't have to add it, but I just wanted to add extra things to it, just to fluff it up. So I'm just adding as much as I want. You can cut your own down. Like I said, you don't have to. I added it on top of it while the lentil was already done. What I could have done is to add these beans before, because it made the lentil to cook too much for me, for my own liking. But yeah, this is it. Once it's done, I just transfer it into a sieve to let it cool down, and then I'm preparing the rest of the ingredients. I have some red bell pepper, I have paprika, I have turmeric, okay, I have curry powder. Yeah, this is my favorite curry powder. I have a large onion, and then in the plate I have more spices. I have black pepper, I have what I can't remember the name of this, I'll put it on the screen. I have curry powder, I have thyme, I have rosemary, I have 2 seasoning cubes, and that's basically all I need. And I'm just going to prep everything down, chop it down, and then start cooking everything together. I can't even talk. Yeah, but at the end, this is very, very tasty. I'm telling you, you have to give it a try. So basically everything is self-explanatory at this time. I'm just heating up some oil, and then stir frying the onion and the rest of the ingredients before I add the lentil back to it. So I hope that you enjoy. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I want to use this opportunity to say thank you very much for your support. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for liking. Thank you for leaving comments. If you like this video, at the end of watching it, kindly give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the rest of the video. So once all the ingredients is done frying, the rest of the vegetable and the spices, I just add the lentil and the green beans, and then just to toss it up to have everything well combined. But I must tell you that it is smelling so delicious in here. Okay, once you fry all those spices, once you add it into the oil and fry them, it will release its own fragrance. Okay, and then the whole kitchen is just filled with aroma. I wish that you could smell it or that you can taste it, but you can do this in your own kitchen. And let me know, okay, if you try this recipe, let me know in the comment section or tag me and let me know how yours turned out and how you like it. I'm sure that you are going to like it. If you're on a weight loss journey, this is one of the healthiest food that you can make. Okay, it's going to keep you full for a very long time because it is legume, so it will make you to be drinking a lot of water. Okay, yes. So one of the reasons why this has this vibrant color is because of the turmeric and the paprika. Paprika is basically red bell pepper, dried red bell pepper that is blended, and then turmeric on its own is packed with a lot of nutrients, is anti-inflammatory with other health benefits. But this is the outcome of my own dish. Okay, it is looking so yummy. And thank you once more for being here. Until I see you in my next video. Bye bye.